Yo guys, so I just got this Tech Deck Performance Series. This alien graphic is kind of cool. And I'm gonna unbox this. So I'm going to take the top off. Okay, normal person mode. Okay, normal person mode. And, let's see. I already have my fingerboard. I just haven't got a Performance Series yet. I don't know what they're like. I have zero idea what they're like. So I'll give you my opinions on it. Trying to open it. There we go. Stretch. Okay. Foam grip. Foam grip tape is like pretty strong. Deck. The deck's alright. These trucks in the small Tech Deck wheels. I heard that these ones have like some like different wheels, and the shape is a little bit like, I don't know. This just looks pretty good. And the Tech Deck logo, as you can see, is right there. And then yeah, super clean grip job. This is 4 layers, I think. We'll see. Look at it again. It's 5. Like it's pretty strong deck. All right, now it's time to try to use this. Okay, I'll tell you guys how it feels. I'll tell you right now, the grip tape is not looking very good right now. It's feeling kind of rubbery. I think it feels kind of smooth. Kickflip test. Oh, I haven't kickflipped in a while, that's why. Let me get another chance. These wheels, like grippy. I like these wheels a lot. These are like alright wheels, and the grip tape is like, the Tech Deck logo is already starting to wear out. You see that? And the board, like you see that right there? That like divot right there, little divot. Like it's like a weird shape, but I like it. Hi. Guys, I'm gonna fingerboard too, but right next to one can so you won't see me fingerboarding. Except for the TV. Oh yeah, we have a TV next to us. Oh yeah, this is a hotel. This is a hotel. And guess what? I just landed a kickflip. That's close. Oh! That's close. They're like very grippy wheels. Like, this is like alright grip. Like really rubbery, I can tell you that. Tech Deck logo's already starting to wear out. Ow. Stop. That's more. Either, can I see this perimeter board? This is sick. Dude, that truck is so loose, it's about to fall off. It's serious? Yes. The truck is literally about to fall off. The truck's about to fall off. Great, we didn't bring a tool. Yeah, we don't have a fingerboard tool. Yo guys, I don't have a fingerboard tool in my brother's trucks are about to fall off. Please don't fall off, trucks. If you fall off, I'm never gonna play with you ever again. Okay, just try not to use it very much. This graphic.
Okay,
I'm just gonna
do one trick.
I'm just gonna do one trick. All right. This is my
Easy,
board.
landed.
This is my board.
And this is my board, guys.
I can't see it. They're primitive. This little primitive
Yeah,
board.
I'm gonna take my board and not place
This
it.
is like all right grip. Like it's already starting to wear out.
Hey, Dad, we should have fought first. We should have fought
Okay, I'm gonna use my main setup and I'm gonna compare it to this Tech Deck Performance Series. Okay, so I noticed that my grip shape is like, it's like not rubbery, like it's more like grippy and like ollie. Like first try ollie. Ollie, and then kickflip. Yeah, I just didn't land the kick the first try. And with this, it takes me a couple tries to land a kickflip, but it's still a pretty good board. Like, this grip, like, it's okay, grip. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is the grip tape is kind of rubbery.
Yeah.
It feels kind of rubbery. And the Tactaclo's logo's already starting to wear out.
Why are you charging my iPad?
So like I got this deck and then I got this one. So these are my two setups, like decent setups. This one is like pro, right here, pro. Alright, that's the end of this video, and bye.